Hello everyone. This video is made for the parents and the students of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Chennai region. This video will show you how to access the G Suite account for various activities. The G Suite account gives us access to Gmail, Google Classroom and Google Meet, which we are going to use for the online classes. So first of all, we must be having an ID given by the school. This ID will start with STU, followed by the name of the student, followed by the admission number at Chennai, KVS Chennai region.in. To access, to begin with, we will open gmail.com. Then the ID which is provided will be typed here. You can see the ID will look like this: STU, name of the students, then followed by the admission number at KVS Chennai region.in. You will click on the next. Now you have to enter the password given by the class teacher. Remember that the password given to you is a one-time password only. So at the first login, you are supposed to change it. So as soon as you open it, there is a welcome window. Okay. So you have to click on the accept. Now password is to be changed. So you have to create a strong password. The password must be minimum 8 characters long. The password must be minimum characters long and it should comprise of numbers, alphabets and special characters. Now you can see your personalized Gmail has opened. Now the next thing, you have to go to these 9 dots. We will click here and we will go to the classroom. Once we go to the classroom, see this window, we'll continue. Now it will ask you whether you are a student or a teacher. So we have to click on I am a student. Please do not click on any other option, otherwise your account will be suspended. Then click here, join on the first class. So one class code will be provided by the subject teacher. So that code you have to enter here. Okay, I am not typing that code now because okay, now I am typing this code JLI. After that I will click on join. So now you can see name of the class is appearing. Okay, now whatever is the details of the class, it will be appearing here. You can see this place is the classwork. Okay, right now no work has been assigned, but as you will progress through the year, you will find different things which are added. Okay, now you can see the teachers are added here. right? You are the only student, that is why you cannot see anything else. So whatever details are there, they will be all coming here. Another thing is, you can see this link. This link will take you to the Google Meet. Google Meet will be the platform where we are going to have the online classes. Till the class time is not there, you cannot open any class. Okay. Now I am opening this. Now you need to allow the microphone as well as the camera, and then you will click on join now. It will take a couple of seconds. After, it will start, and then you can join in the Google Classroom, Google Online Meet. So where your teacher will be teaching you. Unless otherwise it is told to you, you have to keep your microphone off only. Your teacher will say when you have to turn on your microphone. Okay. So when the class is over, at the time you have to click this link to leave the call. There is a button called as present now. You are not supposed to press this button. Please remember it carefully. You are not supposed to click on present now because it is for teachers only. If you want to converse with teacher, here you have the chatting option. So you can click and you can post your message. Remember that you cannot post a message to a specific person. Your message, whatever you are typing, will be visible to each and everybody. Okay. You have to be careful. You have to keep the ID and password secure because we don't want anyone else other than you to use them, because in the cyber world any person is recognized by the user ID and password only. If anybody gets access to your user ID and password, it is your responsibility only. Okay. So please check daily your email, and the timetable will be given to you. That also will be displayed in the classwork. You will find the timetable. Everything you will find here, and your class teachers are always for your help. Okay. So once again, I welcome you to the online journey of learning in KVS. Thank you. Thank you very much.